Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync a OneDrive shared folder locally to your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. From here, you'll see the OneDrive icon. Go ahead and click on it and a small OneDrive window will slide up from the taskbar. This gives you quick access to your OneDrive settings and folder management options. Now, to sync your OneDrive shared folder locally, look at the top right part of your OneDrive window and click on the gear icon. This opens up your settings and configuration options. A small context menu will appear with several choices. From the list of options, click on Settings, and this will open the Microsoft OneDrive Settings window. This is where you'll have full control over what gets synced to your local machine and what stays only in the cloud. From this settings window, start by navigating to the left-hand menu and click on Account. This section manages all your account-specific sync preferences and storage details. Within the Account Settings menu, you'll see a button labeled Choose Folders. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is crucial because it lets you decide exactly which folders from your OneDrive should be downloaded and kept in sync on your computer, helping you save space if you don't need everything locally. You'll now see a list of all the folders you can select or exclude from OneDrive Sync. From this list of folders, look for the Shared Folder option. This is where all the folders that others have shared with you are located. You can click on the drop-down button next to Shared Folder to reveal all the individual folders that are being shared with you. This gives you granular control over which shared content you want available offline. Now from here you have two options. You can select all shared folders by clicking the checkbox next to shared folder itself, or you can choose specific folders from the list inside your shared folder. Pick the folders that you actually need to access locally. Once you've made your selections, click on OK to confirm your choices. Your selected shared folders will now be synced from your OneDrive to your computer locally. You may need to wait a few moments while OneDrive processes your changes and begins downloading the selected folders to your local machine, and that's it. Your OneDrive shared folders are now synced and accessible directly from File Explorer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.